Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking the zipper. Look at the slider, teeth, and top/bottom stop so you know what's wrong. Once done, clear lint with a soft brush and apply graphite from a pencil or a tiny dab of soap to the slider to reduce friction. This helps if the zipper is stuck. Then, using pliers, gently squeeze the slider cheeks if the pull detaches teeth. You want slightly tighter contact, not crushing the slider. Now test the pull carefully to see improvement. You next focus on alignment and slider replacement because a loose slider or bent teeth cause separation. First, realign any bent teeth using a tiny flat tool. Straighten toward the zipper's path so teeth mesh. If the slider is worn, remove the top stop gently and slide a new or rescued slider on. Replace the stop. Alternatively, if you can't replace immediately, fold fabric and sew a temporary stop 1 to 2 stitches. You finish by securing a permanent stop. Crimp a metal stop with pliers or sew a reinforced bar tack. Make sure it's aligned so the slider won't bypass it. Once secured, run the zipper fully several times to confirm smooth engagement and correct alignment of teeth. If it still separates, consider replacing the entire zipper because worn teeth or tape can be the root cause. One troubleshooting tip: if the slider skips only on thick fabric, try a slightly larger replacement slider before full replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.